What is up, everybody? It is your boy, your one and only, Chris the Beast. I honestly thought that I was not going to do any videos today, but I came across this one video called Camping Bratayley Style. So, hold on one moment. So, let's get right into it.
This is an ad for Nintendo. It's time for Bratayley! Hola, people. They're just laying here. Awkward. Okay.
I've got a good idea.
What?
What if
What if?
we asked Mommy and Daddy if we could go camping? I've never gone camping before.
Okay, family meeting! Okay, so me and Haley have been thinking, because we've never, ever gone camping. We kind of, maybe a little bit, definitely wanted to try to go camping.
Sure.
We're going camping!
We go camping, all set up.
Aww.
You said camping, it's camping.
Why?
Piper's excited about camping. Get in.
This is not nature. The only nature thing about this is the blanket that has flowers on it.
Don't break the tent. Winnie, you're not invited camping anymore. Everybody out so Winnie gets out.
What are you doing? Well, I mean, I could have just figured out our solution to this big, horrible misunderstanding. We can still have the big adventure we've been waiting. So, let me just get this, fancy Nintendo 3DS XL system out, and you can just, take this 2DS. Oh, and you're also gonna need this. It's a Nintendo 3DS NFC reader. So you know how we've had this game for a while? Well, I just updated mine. I want to update mine. Well, just do it. It's free. See that keyword free there? Download it. Free. Update. You're gonna definitely want that update.
That's slow-mo, though.
Look at all these new amiibo figures. Here is our collection. You can collect, I think there's 16 of them. Oh, and the game also works with these amiibo cards. Whoa. This one's name is Snooty. This one's Boris. This one's Tasha, Rattle, Louie, and Buzz. So here are some of the characters we have. This one's name is Lottie. This one with like all the spiky hair is named Mabel. This one is Isabel. And last, but certainly not least, Tom Nook. So, the cool thing about this game is that there's no levels or points. There's just a lot of cool places and activities to explore. So there's a map of my town, and right now I am looking for like stuff to sell. So I could go down to the beach. I'm gonna go and collect some seashells to get some more money so I can build my house. And perfect, it just goes to my pocket, and when they're full, you go and get them exchanged. I'm gonna go into the campground. Okay, here I am. So as you can see, there's a fire going right there. Over here, it looks like I can sit on that log and be toasty warm. Over here, looks like I can lay. It's pretty neat. And go to sleep if I need to. That's not creepy. Whoa! That's so cool. Oh, of course, I'll bring you to my house. Let's display you. Perfect. Yes. Whoa! A whisk? That's so cool. Oh, okay. I think it's time to invite some friends. I'm going with Tom Nook. Okay, let's see. Whoa, Tom Nook's in the game! That's so cool! No way, the real Tom Nook's in the game now. Wow.
Of course.
Okay, girls, I hate to break up your big camping adventure, but it is time to go get ready for bed, like brush your teeth, get your jammies on.
What are you doing?
I'm playing a game.
How about we all adventure together? Let's adventure, Piper.
Piper, you're camping! See, you guys, this turned out just fine.
Yeah, yeah.
You didn't even want to stop what you were doing. This was way cooler.
Yeah.
And maybe,
And we didn't have to go.
just maybe, we'll go real camping one day.
Yeah.
You know who wants to go and bring our 3DSs? You know who really wants to go camping, right?
John G.
Yeah. Maybe
should go with
he
him.
invited us camping. So let's take him up on that offer.
Okay.
That was really good. To be honest, I did not think I was going to do any videos. But, well, there you have it. Camping Bratayley style. From, of course, Bratayley. Tomorrow I'll be hitting y'all up with another World of Gaming video, so join me on my journey to 1,000 subscribers. Woohoo! I'm out here, y'all. Peace.